would like to welcome you all for this auspicious occasion and such a wonderful day. I mean, it's having so many coincidences together. You know, we have
Yes.
got 4 years of our Google Connect, 4 years of Google Connect, and our Naresh Darji Bhai has also completed 4 years. And somebody was telling me that she has completed 4 months. Can you tell who was that? Somebody was telling I have completed just 4 months. Can
Yeah,
you
That,
come again?
that's me.
yeah.
Yeah, that's me. Thank you.
Right. So congratulations to you too. It is your celebration also. And we have got our inspirational virtual meetup. This is the series fourth. So you can say four, 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 four.
Four.
So four type of
Thank
fours
you,
are
sir.
there.
Thank you.
So such a wonderful day. It's a immeasurable, and we have got auspicious gate with you. So many guests with us. Now, Jason sir, if you are ready, can we have a welcome to our guest so that we can go for introduction? So now Nei would like to introduce herself. Nei, can you introduce yourself? Kindly unmute your mic.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Right.
Uh,
Yes, Jack.
hello, everyone.
Yeah. Good evening. TG here.
Thank you for inviting me. I'm Nyai, local guy from Indonesia.
Thank you, Nei. Thank you very much for your introduction. We have got Mr. Ajit Kumar. Mr. Ajit Kumar. Can you introduce
Hi,
yourself?
this is Ajit from Odisha. So I'm staying currently in Hyderabad. So I have been associated with Google since last 4 to 5 years. That's it, sir.
Fantastic. Welcome, Ajit ji. We have got
Thank
Mr.
you.
Akshay Kosti. Mr. Akshay Kosti. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi everyone. So myself Akshay. I've been from Gujarat as well. So I've been contributing the Google local guide from like past 1 year and crowdsource at like 6 months or so. That's it.
Welcome, Akshay. We have got Mr.
Thank you.
Aman Mishra. Mr. Aman Mishra. Mr. Aman Mishra, can you hear me? Fine. Next we go to Mr. Amit Sharma. Mr. Amit Sharma, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. As you know, my name is Amit Sharma and I'm from Chandigarh, India. And I've been associated with Google Maps for the last 1 year, and this has really helped me. And this is my first virtual meetup with you all guys. Thanks very much. And that's all.
Wow, that's a very grand welcome, sir. Grand welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
We have got Mr. Daniel Kokanchi. Daniel Konkanchi. Mr. Daniel Konkanchi. Can you introduce yourself? Mr. Gayatri Sharma, can you introduce yourself, Mr. Gayatri Sharma? I'm sorry, Miss Gayatri Sharma. Miss Gayatri Sharma. We have got Mr. Hiren Bhatt. Mr. Hiren Bhatt. Mr. Hiren Bhatt, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, Bhatt sir, please go ahead.
Hello. Hi, I am Hiren Bhatt from Rajkot, Gujarat, India. I am associated with Google Map since 4 or 5 years.
Okay, welcome to this wonderful show, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now we have got Mr. Kinjal Chaya. Kinjal Chaya. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, good evening. I'm Kinjal from Surat, Gujarat. I've been associated with Google, I think, from 4 or 5 years, and with Google Local Guide Program about 3.5 or 4 years. I'm not too sure. And also with the Street Map.
Kinjal bhai, Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jai Shri Krishna.
Anilji, request. Anilji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just request everybody to give the LG ID, sorry,
Kindly drop your
LG
connect
Connect
ID
IDs.
in the chat box. Kindly
Yeah, I
drop your
mentioned
connect
that.
ID and location, and
Yeah,
if
I
possible,
mentioned
the
that.
level also. That will be helping us to update you with our programs as well as with a recap for such a wonderful happening which is happening around.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
I'll request local guides. Name is the local guides itself. Local guides, plural. If you can hear, can you introduce yourself? Okay, we have
Okay,
got.
my name is Sogechi. Hello?
Hi, Ogechi, welcome. Start.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Sogechi from Nigeria. I'm a level 10 local guide. It's always an interesting time being with my Indian friends and all my Asian friends. And I'm guest today. I'm going to get inspiration. I will not be disappointed. I can see Doc, I can see David smiling, and I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful day. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much.
Ogechi, good evening.
We have got once again with Rais Mohammed साहब, हम आपका इस्तकबाल करते हैं साहब. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. We have got Sariga 360. Sariga 360.
Hi, I'm Varghese Jose. I'm from Kerala.
Yeah, good evening, Varghese.
Yeah, I am a level 9 local guide. I am also passionate on 360 photographs. I have done so many 360 photos for Google Maps. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Welcome to the wonderful show. We have got with us Venkat Reddy Gundadi. Venkat Reddy Gundadi. Welcome, sir.
Hello, hi everyone. I am Venkat Reddy Gundadi from Hyderabad, sir. I am associated with Google Maps from last 2 years. Thank you for your invitation.
Thank you very much for coming, sir. Now we have got Shaili Jani. Shaili Jani. Kindly introduce yourself. Miss Shaili Jani.
Okay, hello. I'm Shaili, and I live in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And I'm really, I'm at level 6, and I really aspire to go forward.
Welcome, ma'am. It's a wonderful journey ahead together.
Thank you.
Now we have got Rais Mohammed. Rais Mohammed sahab. Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Rais Mohammed, can you listen me?
I think Anilji, he is in office. He messaged it.
Yeah. I've seen this message. Thank you, sir. We have got Mandeep Bisetti.
Hello, local guides. I'm Manideep, and I'm a photography and graphic designing enthusiast. I've been with Google for more than 5 years now, and I help Google by uploading photos of places I visit, and I look forward to move forward. I'm from Hyderabad. Thank you.
Kindly keep your connect ID. We would love to see your photos.
We have got Kaushalendra Etumukolia. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, local guides. I'm Kausalendra, registered as local guide in Hyderabad, but I'm a native of Tirupati. Right now, I'm at level 8. I work as a professor, and I'm happy for being here with all of you.
Great. We have lost. Welcome, sir. Welcome, Kaushalendra ji. We have got Gayatri Sharma. Can you introduce yourself, Gayatri Sharma?
Yeah, hi. Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I am from Hyderabad. I am local guide 7, and I am a travel blogger and YouTuber. So I'm really happy to attend this meeting. Thank you.
So nice of you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Nice to have you with us. We have got Shovan Paul, Mr. Shovan Paul. Mr. Shovan Paul, can you introduce yourself? Fine. We have got Mr. Ishant Gautam. Mr. Ishant Gautam.
Yes. Namaste, all of you. Can you hear me?
Yes. Boliye.
Yes, Ishan, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hi. Hello. My name is Ishant Gautam. I'm a level 9 local guide from Himachal Pradesh, India. and it's really a great honor for me to attend this summit. And thank you for this, Anil ji and all the team, to make it possible for everyone. Thank you.
We
Yeah.
can see
Kishan,
wonderful light
you are also a
sparkling
team
behind
member.
you, Uttam ji.
You are welcome,
Yes, sir.
Kishan. You are a part of our team.
Team.
Yes, sir.
So you are,
Yeah.
we are waiting for your internet connection. Once it is ready, let's be
Yes,
all
sir.
together again.
Yes, sir. That's all fine now.
Oh, great. Then join back and
Yeah.
let us see. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Over to Anil.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we have got now wonderful things. Fahmi Admira. Fahmi Admira. Fahmi Admira, kindly introduce yourself. Okay, we have got Kashif Bhai. Kashif Bhai from Pakistan. Kashif Bhai, kindly introduce yourself. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Kashif ji.
I think he
And-
messaged that he's on the bike and he'll stay somewhere
Okay.
and get reconnected.
Okay.
Okay.
Because he is going to be our next meetup host. That is,
Yeah.
along
Yes,
with
yes.
Ambesh ji. Over.
Yes.
Anil ji.
We have got our own lovely Deepak ji. Deepak ji. Deepak JHICID. You all can pin him. He's a very wonderful person.
Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Deepak and I'm on level 9. I'm glad to have you all here. And looking forward to listen more from our attendee. I forgot his name, I'm sorry. Yes, Aslam bro, I'm sorry. Looking forward to this meetup. Thank you very much. Yeah, I can see your background there.
So we have got one another Rosie in India. M Rosie. M Rosie. Welcome, M Rosie.
Hi, my name is Rosie. I'm a level 6 local guide from Hyderabad, India.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Incidentally, our Nareshji's internet is having some problem. That is why he is not able to come and address you. As soon as he is ready with his internet, he will definitely will be present with us. Over to Anilji. Over.
Thank you. Now I will invite my friends from across the India who have came. These are our friends which are very much regular, always with us. Couple of things. Would like to invite them with lot of applause. Though she is host of today, still we would like to clap and welcome officially as a participant. So let's welcome Devi.
Welcome, Devi ma'am.
Welcome, Bude.
Hello.
Welcome, Devi.
Hi, everyone. Hello,
Hi, Devi.
Welcome, Devi.
Hi.
Thank you. My name is Devi. I am level 10 local guide from Indonesia.
Welcome.
We have got Mr. Rezul from Bangladesh. Riazul Bhai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Salam.
Walaikum salam.
I am Riazul Haq from Chattogram. Hello, everybody. I am Riazul Haq
And we
from
have got
Chattogram,
our
Bangladesh. Level 7
old
local guide.
one.
Thank you so much for a nice meetup.
As you know, there is a rice. How many people eat here over here rice? Raise your hand. Rice.
Yes,
Which rice is good? Old rice or new rice? Which rice is good in taste?
Old rice. Old rice.
Old rice.
So I am inviting
Old rice
my
is
old
good.
rice.
All right.
So
Old
I'm
rice, sir.
inviting my old rice to make this program more delicious.
Right.
So let's welcome Arul Prakashan ji. Arul Prakashan ji, old rice.
Sorry, my internet connectivity is very slow. That's I only display. I will cut my display. Only I speak. Thank you for inviting all friends for here. Thank you.
We have got our Sagir Bhai, Sagir Adimu. Sagir Bhai, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Bye. Good afternoon.
It is good evening in India.
Good evening to you.
Good evening, good evening, good afternoon. Sagirji.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Sagarji.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
We have got with us our once again old rice, Tejal Ben, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Kindly introduce yourself to the new member. So many new member came.
Oh, sorry. Yes. See, this is my lovely background, natural background. yesterday we have learned to create a virtual background. So I will take a chance to show you a natural background. Okay, I am a Tejal Shaya, level 8 Google local guide from Valsad, Gujarat. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. It's nice to have you with us. We have got our own old attendee, some rice and some special kind of rice, fried rice, then pulao rice, then precious rice, then costly rice, which is very costly, very expensive one. So we have got Salman Bhai with us, Salman Nawaz.
Basmati rice. Basmati rice.
Basmati, yes.
Hello,
Biryani
hi
wala,
Tejal
veg biryani.
Hello, Salman
veg
bhai.
biryani.
Hello, Salman bhai. Yeah,
Hi,
biryani.
Ishan bhai, hello.
Hello.
Hello, Ishan bhai.
Hello, Salman
Agir
bhai.
bhai,
कैसे हो?
Ajit
Hi,
bhai,
Salman.
Anil bhai. Hi, Ajit bhai.
Hi.
Great to see you all. I'm Salman
He is
Nawaz,
already
level 8
a
local
commit
guide.
modifier.
भाई आपको इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है
Nahi, Ishan bhai. I'm from Tamil Nadu, currently living in Bengaluru. So anyone plans
Nice.
to visit
Salman Bhai,
Bengaluru?
correct. You don't need introduction. Everybody know about
Yeah.
you. Couple of members came for the first time. So for introduction of them, give your introduction. Shukriya.
Please, Salman. Yeah, for them, please. Thank you.
Yeah, I am a level 8 local guide from Bengaluru, currently living in Bengaluru. I'm from Tamil Nadu. So I'm being in local guest program from 3 years. I got selected to attend Kanatle on 2018. So it's great to have so many local guest friends. So looking forward to learn Aslam Muhammad Bhai's experience, because I remember when he got selected, I was wishing him in Connect. Thank you, congratulations Aslam Bhai, like that. Looking forward to learn his experience. Thank you.
Yes, Salman.
You must be wondering that rice is found only in India or it is outside also. Outside also, no? So let's welcome Dogdale.
Yeah, outside also.
Let's welcome Dogdales. Kindly introduce yourself. She's also old rice.
Yeah, hello everyone. Sorry, I cannot open my video. So I'm Deliana. I'm Dels. I'm a level 7 local guides from Tangerang, Indonesia. So happy to see everyone here. So many familiar faces and always happy joining with this, meetup. So good luck everyone, Devi and Anil, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello. We have Inna also with us. We have Inna ma'am also with us.
So in that same old and precious antique category, we have got India. Ma'am, please come and introduce yourself.
Savitri ma'am, come on.
India, Nuria, Savitri madam. I call her the Google encyclopedia.
Sure. Sure. It's someone is presenting. Am I cutting someone?
Yeah, it's on. It's over now. You are on the screen. You are on the screen.
Nuria madam, Savitri madam, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. It's truly a busy night, jumping from one meetup to another. But happy to be here, of course, and happy to support everyone here. My name is Indah Nuria Savitri. I've met so many of you in the virtual meetups before. Happy to share a lot here as well. I'm a level 10 local guide, and I'm now staying in Jakarta, Indonesia. So I can't wait to hear all those
Yes,
stories that you have today.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hello.
Happy to be here.
We have Naraji also.
some of the very good product of your country are being exported to some other country, right? So
Yeah,
we
yeah,
also
so
have
true.
got something export material. So let's welcome, because those country also love, India also love. Welcome Isha from London.
Then our Naresh ji has come.
Naresh bhai, welcome. Welcome, Naresh bhai.
Welcome, Naresh bhai.
Welcome, Naresh bhai. Hello, Naresh bhai.
Clap. Everybody clap, please.
Hello.
Yo.
Thank you.
Welcome, Naresh sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Congrats for completing 4 years in Connect.
Congrats for completing 4 years.
Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Shonak sir.
So we have got Naresh bhai. We have got four.
Dr. Shainab.
Can you hear us, Naresh bhai?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great.
Dr.
we have already
Shaunak and Isha. Dr. Shaunak,
Hello.
you can
Isha, madam.
introduce. And Isha ji.
Isha madam, you are supposed to introduce
Yes,
yourself.
yes.
Please come, please come. Thank you for attending.
Hey, thank you. No, don't say thank you. So, hello, yeah. So, hi all. I'm Isha. I'm a level 8 local guide. Basically, I'm from India, but I'm currently based out of London. So, hello all, and Naresh bhai, congratulations for 4 years and many
Thank
more
you.
coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have Karim bhai also. Now we have Karim bhai also. Can you hear us, Karim bhai?
Shaunak ji. Dr. Shaunak,
We
you
have
can
been already
introduce.
lesson, sir.
Hello.
Naresh bhai,
Yeah.
there is so many things about
local guides, and probably I got attended in the very first inaugural local guide summit in 16 and 17, and also attended CG summit in 18. So I can see many new joiners here. So it's a nice to see everyone in a small platform. I hope everyone is doing good, and wish you all the best for today's program.
Thank you. Anil ji.
Yeah,
Anil ji.
yeah, are you there today? How are you? How are you doing?
We are all doing fine. God's grace and God bless you all. Yes. Anil ji.
Thank
you, doctor. Thank you for joining.
Anilji dropped out. Do you think he'll rejoin once? Anilji got dropped out. So anybody had left get introduced before Nareshji can start?
So we have got Ramakrishna sir as well.
Yeah, please go ahead. You can introduce yourself.
Can I see him?
Yes, Mr. Ramakrishna.
I don't see. Okay. We've got Mehboob Hassan from Bangladesh, local guide summit attendee 17, 18, and 19 with us.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Oh, that's great.
That's great.
Mahbub.
Hello, Mehboob bhai.
Hello, Mehboob ji. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Namaste, everyone.
Hi,
Walaikum salam. Mehboob bhai, kaise ho?
Yeah, I'm fine. My name is Mahbub Hassan. I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh, and yeah, already Aslam bhai introduced some part of myself. I'm attendee of 17, 18, and 19. Also hosting South Asia meetup with 2017 with Dr. Shonok and Nepali other friends. 2018 with Aslam bhai in Hyderabad. They're also attend from Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka. Almost 12 people, 12 or 13 people. That's it. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. We have Ajit Dora. Ajit Dora ji, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, this is Ajit Dora. I'm Google Local Guide Level 7. I have been doing this since I have got to know from Aslam. So thank you, Aslam, for this great job. Like this is actually interesting, and it shows like how we are growing day by day. And I'll keep on doing the same. And that's it.
Thank you, Ajit ji. Thank you very much. It's nice.
Neeta,
Thank you, Ajit.
Neeta ji.
Neeta ma'am.
Hello everyone. I didn't realize I was still muted. I'm Neeta BC, level 9 local guide from New Delhi, India. And congratulations, Naresh ji, and really looking forward to the meetup. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeta.
Now, Naresh ji, please address us.
Yeah, Naresh ji, please, everybody.
Welcome, Naresh sir. Welcome.
Welcome, Naresh sir.
So, Naresh ji will introduce.
Hello, Naresh. Hi.
Tejal ji.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, Naresh.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Introduce.
Many
Can you
thank you
introduce Tejal
to all
ma'am?
of you. Thanks for this honor.
Can I proceed?
Yes, please. Introduce our dear and loving Naresh ji. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. It is a very. I think I'm getting some disturbance. Jitendra Kumar, please mute your mic so I can speak. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for cooperation. Okay. I would like to introduce Naresh Bhai. Naresh Darji, actually, his Connect ID and Map ID is Naresh Bhai. By profession, Naresh Bhai is a GIS analyst since 2006. As a GIS analyst, mapping is his daily work and passion too. Because of his passion, he contribute in the Google Map, and he was contributing in the Google Map.
Not audible.
Yeah, it seems someone muted her. Aman, please do not mute anyone who is speaking on mic. Please do not mute anyone. Aman Mishra, I think he is the one.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. So should I start again?
Yes. Please go.
Okay. Okay. So he is in this field since last 2006. So he loved to do work with the map. As a profession also, he is a GIS analyst, means mapping करना और वो लोग इनका जैसे हम every female is making a food in the kitchen. For Naresh Bhai, working with the map is a male kitchen work, I can say that. So since last 2006 he is doing this work, and he was contributing in Google Map Maker also. Today he is a level 9 at Google Local Guide, and he has earned 76,000. Baapre, 76,000 points. Happy going to the level 10, Naresh Bhai. If I would like to give an introduction about the Google Connect also. He earned 23 badges in 4 years. Baapre.
Now, clap.
And he has created Indian Local Guide logo, Gujarati community. He is successfully running a Gujarati community group, which I would like to tell you that I am in Connect because of Naresh Bhai. Naresh Bhai bring me in the Connect. So thank you so much, Naresh Bhai, for taking me the path to the wonderful platform of Connect, and having a pleasure to working with you all. I'm very happy. He has earned 28,000 plus likes on Google Connect, and he has given 20,000 back. So this is the short introduction. Everyone knows his work. He is very kind by nature. Every time he is ready to help. Even Naresh Bhai, it is surprise for you also. I have prepared small slideshow. Not only Naresh Bhai, even Amresh Bhai, Deepak Bhai, TG sir. I text Amresh Bhai to 11:30, and then night, ke, Naresh bhai, I want some photograph. I want to prepare a slideshow. Ma'am, you want right now? Right, Amrish bhai? Amrish bhai, so immediately he has sent the link and I have prepared a small slideshow. If we don't have short of time, then TG sir, can I present that slideshow?
Tejal Ben,
Just waiting for your surprise, Tejal Ben.
Okay.
Let Nareshji, please welcome once again and kindly address us, please.
Hello, friends.
Hi,
I know
Naresh.
everything is no. Hello, everyone.
Yeah, hi, Naresh bhai.
Hello, Pramod.
Can you see?
How are you?
Can you see this?
Can you? No. Are you presenting, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
you may want to present
Okay,
your
okay.
screen.
And
Yeah. Yes, now it's going.
Yes, it's coming on.
Yeah.
can you see?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Tejal Ben.
Yes, yes.
Just please keep your mobile horizontal.
And yours too.
Yes, TG.
Thank you. Nareshji, you can talk.
Wonderful. This is really amazing.
Thank you.
This is our first meetup. And the message, wow. Great, Tejal Ben. Thank you for this surprise. Oh.
Wow,
This
wow.
is my last meetup before the lockdown.
Oh,
Shruti.
Asia Summit.
Yeah. First
Great
photo after the photography, joining after the first photography group.
yeah.
This is from my tour, my favorite place. And all you know, this is my Friends Forever banner. It's a worldwide map editing box organized by Samsung. And it's my first correction on map. Flower show in Ahmedabad. Wow. This is really great surprise for me. David Tito has come in my dream. It's wonderful, and it's finally arrived at my home. Thank you, Tejal Ben, for this wonderful surprise.
Wow.
I'm
Very
really happy.
good. Yeah.
Happy moments.
Very nice.
Oh. Nareshji, you have to
Around
cover.
2011, the photo around 2011, I was in a Kutch desert. This is best ever meetup in my life with Tejal Ben and Priyanka, Raju, our first accessibility meetup.
Wow, great.
Is Priyanka available
We
here?
teacher.
Ambreshji, are you there?
Yeah, Amresh.
Ambreshji, please.
मेरी पहली वीडियो का फोटो
Yeah, Deepak. ये दिल्ली वाली मीटअप निमी है बन्नी.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for this surprise.
Thank you, Tejal Ben. Thank you very much for this video.
Wow.
Yeah,
Really wow.
great.
That's nice.
Thank you very much for this video.
Thank you. Special thanks to Amrish bhai also. रात 11:30 बजे मुझे याद है किससे फोटो मांगू. Then I messaged Amrish bhai at 11:30 at night before 2 days. I want, man, you want it right now? I said sorry, but yes, I want right now. So not only Naresh bhai, all are helping me. So I am very lucky to bringing Naresh bhai. Thank you for bringing them this platform.
And thank you to you,
Thank you.
please.
Welcome.
Nareshji,
Over to you.
Yes, sir.
Kindly address the global LGS, please tell them some words.
Friends, as you know, thing about me. I have started my journey in. Actually, I am working on a map maker in 2014 and 15. And one day in, I think 2016, I have received a mail. Please join the local guide community and local guide connect. So I instantly joined the local guide program in 2016 after the launching Connect, and I started my journey from there. 1 minute.
Anilji, you can keep our things ready.
Yes, 1 minute.
Yeah. Another 2 minutes from Nareshji.
So I have joined the local guide program instantly and started my journey. But I don't know how. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes, go.
When I started my journey at local guide, but I don't know how to contribute, how to post anything about. I don't know how to contribute. And first time Armesh have give me suggestion how to contribute on local guides connect forum. And after I have started my journey in local guide community. Then after 2017 in first month, I met Deepak, and he supported me very, very far away. And then we are a close friend. Right now, we, Amrish, Deepak. In 2017, I was also selected for the top solution authors in Connect. In 2018, I am selected for Connect Live 2018. But unfortunately, due to visa problem, I am not able to go there. So it's no problem. My dream was not completed. But David Tito in 2019, David Tito is completed my dream, extremely complete. It is really great surprise and honor to me. He took my banner at San Francisco and signed it with Tracy and many local guides. And after this, he had to courier me this banner at my home. It's wonderful moment for me. It's really great journey for me. Thank you for being supporting, being with me and supporting every time. TD sir, Tejal ma'am, Raju, Amrish bhai, Deepak, Anni, Anil bhai, Falguni, and much more. I don't know your name. Thank you for your support.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
That's it.
Okay. All the best and thank you, and keep going. God bless you.
Thank you, sir, for this lovely meetup.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It's our honor. Yes.
Thank you.
You are an inspiration, sir. You are an inspiration.
Yes. Anilji.
This is for
Anil
my
Singh?
friend. Hello. Am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible?
you are audible.
Yes, sir, Anil sir, audible.
Yes.
This is for my friend, those who are not from India. Indian people understand the meaning of Darji. Darji means tailor, who to stitch.
Tailor.
Yeah. In Darji.
He used to teach the heart, he's a master in tailoring. He used to stitch.
Yeah. In maps.
No. He is not Taylor. It is his surname. You want to make?
No. I'm saying tailoring in maps.
Actually, I am a tailor. Yes, you are right, Anil bhai. I am a tailor.
Tailor of maps. Map maker.
Proceed, Anilji, with our program, and I hope our chief guest is waiting, and let us introduce.
So Naresh bhai, we have got something to welcome you and our guests in Swagatam in our style. So we would like to Swagatam. So over to you, Jason sir. Let's do the live presentation. We have seen all the virtual, something live and homage and respecting to you from our LG only. Over to you, Jason sir.
Oh.
Nareshji, a dance of Nimi.
Oh, Nimi, I know. She's really good dancer.
This is Indian style of welcoming our guests.
Yeah.
Thank you,
By the
Nimi.
dance form. Thanks, Nimi, for this
Wonderful,
wonderful
Nimi,
performance.
wonderful.
It's
Thank
really
you.
great.
Wonderful.
Welcome, Naresh sir. Welcome. Thank you, Naresh sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
Thanks
for
for
this
this
lovely dance.
performance.
It was a surprise element from Anil sir, from his side, actually.
I like your surprise.
Nimi, very good. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So God bless you, Nimi. She has done a wonderful job. It is in a very short span of time. She has tried to tribute her love and affection to her elder brother Naresh Bhai.
It's wonderful.
Indeed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
And thanks to everyone. Thank you so much.
now I will call upon Naresh Bhai to inaugurate our IBM 4 celebration. You will be now opening. So I would like you to invite our couple of senior LG guests, because they need to be invited with the senior people like you. I am taking
Yes.
few names just to remind: Amrish Bhai, Anna Prakash ji, Patnaik ji, Deepak, you know it. So those
Yeah.
are the people they
He
need
is,
special honor. So now you can call them to introduce themselves. Over to you, Naresh ji.
Yes. First, I would like to invite Amrish Bhai. Please introduce yourself. Can you hear me?
Patnaik ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible.
Okay. We move on. Next, sir, Traveler, sir, please.
Good evening and namaste to all of you. First, again, greetings to our loving and dear Naresh ji. All the best, keep going. We are always with you. And dear guests over here, I am Traveler ji.
Many thanks, sir, to you.
So, I am Traveler ji from Tamil Nadu, India, and a level 10 LG. Trying to be with you all with these different missions of IVM, that is Inspirational Virtual Meetup, and WGS weekly grooming sessions. Thank you, and back to our Naresh ji. Over.
Naresh ji, Patnaik ji.
Next, I would like to invite. Yes, बाकी हम पता है. Patnaik ji, please introduce yourself.
प्रकाश भाई.
पटनायक जी क्या सुन रहे हैं आप?
तृप्ति पटनायक.
प्रकाश भाई.
प्रकाश पंजाब. They may be busy, sir.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay. Next, Deepak. Hello, Deepak. Can you hear me?
They may be getting ready for the next.
He is not in group. Okay, next, who is Anil Bhai? Actually, I am using mobile, so difficult to see full list.
Okay. No problem. Prakash Bhai is there. If it is there, he can come back. See,
Otherwise,
give honor to them. They can be invited from your Naresh Bhai because you are senior colleagues. Nothing more of that.
Anilji, after that, let us invite our chief guest, please. Okay.
Right. So now, Naresh Bhai, I would like to last two name. Since first time it is happening, there is a joint collaboration from India and Indonesia.
Yes.
That's what it is coming up. So I would like to invite from Indonesia our Devi Madam as a host today to inaugurate the program and start the work. So you have to open
Sure,
celebration.
I request to Devi ma'am, please come on screen and start our IBM session.
Okay.
Hello, Devi.
Hello, Naresh. Congratulations
Hello.
for your 4th year.
Hi, Devi.
Hi.
Hi, Bude.
Hi. I remember you. You are
Hi.
the one who comments on my post on my first post.
Hi,
in
hi.
Connect Naresh. You are very kind. Okay. Hello, amazing local guys from
It's
all
my
around.
pleasure, ma'am, and your kindness.
Okay. Hello, amazing local guys from all around the world. Welcome to inspirational virtual meetup. And this time is specially because it's hosted by me and co-host Anil Singh. And first of all, I would like to say thank you to Travel User. Thank you. And all the team India to give me the chance to host this special meetup. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. As you know that my name is Devi. I already introduced myself. My name is Devi. I am from Indonesia, and I am level 10 local guide. And this time, we will hear our Aslam Muhammad, and he will share his experience and then his knowledge, and then he will share special stories about his journey to Local Guide Summit 2017 and also Connect Live in Hyderabad 2019. So please, Aslam, come forward. And please give him a big applause. And so we can welcome him. Come on.
Welcome, Aslam bhai.
Welcome,
Sorry, I
welcome.
forgot to mention you in my friendly.
Hi everyone.
Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome, Aslam ji.
Good evening everyone. So
Hi,
how are you doing?
Salamat Malam for my Indonesian friends.
Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
It's nice to be here. Thank you everyone.
Please proceed.
Actually, Aslam bhai also one of the oldest Connect contributor of.
So Naresh doesn't mean by my age. He's just talking about vintage. In case people get wrong idea.
According to
That's
local
right.
guides, not by age.
Age is a number.
Aslam ji, please. Hello, Aslam ji, please continue. Please continue. We are running late, and let's be serious. Okay, over.
So it's our privilege to have Aslam Bhai. Aslam Bhai it's a dream of every LG to go and connect live, and which he has already successfully completed, and he has represented India 135 crore of country out of when selecting hardly 1 or 2 people, which is not a joke at all. So in this IVM series, we have seen Archit Oza, we have seen Salman Bhai, we have seen Ria. Now we are going to listen from Aslam Bhai. So these are the gems of India, which they have represented proudly our nation at the international forum to the Google Meet. So I heartily congratulate and welcome to Aslam Bhai. It's all yours. Over to you. Can we clap for him?
Yeah. Welcome, Aslam sir. Welcome.
Thank you.
And let us all
welcome.
keep the mute. Keep the mute, please.
Welcome, Aslam bhai.
Thank you everyone. So I forgot.
You can just present it, sir. You can just present it. It will come up. You can see your screen. You can go to presentation mode.
Yeah.
No,
Just
he
give
is
me a
in
second.
presentation mode.
Yeah, just make it full screen, sir. It's okay.
See, you are presenting. Below that, there is a button. Yeah. Yes. Over. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, you can
All
go
right.
ahead. Yeah.
So, like Naresh ji, Darzi, so I also got this, local guides. I was, everybody relies on Google to, guide us on maps. So when I saw one location not properly, set up, I edited it. And after that, I got an invite in 2016 to join this wonderful program called Local Guides. I got hooked. And so November 1 was 2016 was the day when I got this email to, welcome to Local Guides and let's get started. I immediately got hooked, started contributing photos, reviews, and everything else. And then I was like, okay, there must be something more about this wonderful community. So after a month, I got an invitation to join email again, introducing, Local Guides Connect. So I was like, oh, wow, what is this thing? So this is like, the most wonderful thing any local guide would like. Here you meet like-minded people, people who are enthusiastic about contributing photos, hosting meetups, reviews, and writing about their experiences. Ever since I joined in December 2016, I've been hooked. I met so many friends from around the world, and many of us joined today's meetup as well. So thank you for joining. So this is one of the best thing ever to all the local guides. So for the people who are not active, I would highly recommend people, be active on Local Guides Connect. So January 2017, I reached level 5. Since then, even now, 2020 it got cancelled, but hopefully 2021 as well. Level 5 is the requirement for being eligible to attend Local Guide Summit. So I reached there in 2017. And I think this was one of the first perk which I enjoyed from Local Guides. They gave 300 rupees discount on Swiggy. Until then, I did not have a Swiggy installed. And now I'm talking like 3-4 years back. So people might think, oh, you don't even have Swiggy installed on your mobile now. So this is our first meetup. So we have got, for the first meetup, initially, we always think, people will come or not. But I was lucky. I got 4 people plus me attending this meetup, and many are friends still. And we have got Naren second from the right. So he is here as well. So welcome, Naren. So Naren is level 10 local guide from Hyderabad. Now he's in Bangalore.
Thanks, Aslam bhai.
We got again, we continue hosting meetups in malls, editing. This is one of my favorites. So every year, we host a food crawl. We do Hyderabad is famous for its halim, so we have got a few friends, local guides, so and a few local guide attendees as well. So in the red t-shirt, on the left, on the far right, you find Mr. Daniel. So he attended Local Guide Summit with me in 17, and he was invited in 18 as well. Beside him, you've got Fazil. Fazil got invited to Connect Live 18 and 19. So Hyderabad being a very active community, we do get a lot of people attending. This is one of our favorite hanging out spots in Hyderabad. We have conducted around Hyderabad Local Guides. We have this WhatsApp group called Hyderabad Local Guides, and we've got around 200 active local guides. And out of the 50 some meetups we conducted, this place is our favorite. You get very awesome chai and samosa, and we like hanging out over here. We usually meet on Sundays on the weekends. This is the biggest non-Google hosted meetup we had in last year, Connect Live. So I think we had around 40 people attending. for the people who are not aware, Google Maps has more people in Hyderabad, India than anywhere in India. So this is their Google office right now. This is where Google Maps so they keep inviting us to user study groups and stuff. So this one was in 2017 when I was invited for the first time. I've been lucky to visit this place many times after that. This one was invited for a local guides user study group. We used to have a local guides office in Singapore as well. So now I don't even remember the names. People who were Googlers in there along with top local guides from Hyderabad.
So Bella is from Indonesia, I guess.
Yeah, Bella is from Indonesia. I don't remember the name, lady in the white. And then there is Indian lady from Bangalore. I also forgot her name. These are all like few years back. So in 2017, something awesome happened. We always used to, write in Connect. I remember I told you I got hooked on Connect. We used to see people, these local guides videos being shot in Thailand, in Singapore, and in London, US. We said, we have the most active community in India, in Hyderabad. Why don't you guys come in? So they said, let us. We were waiting for people, to have an active community. We'll come in. So 2017. The first city in India, they came in to do to make videos. For the people who have not watched it, there are videos about Hyderabadi biryani, how to make it, how to host meetup. There are a lot of others on their Twitter accounts and stuff. We did lots of shooting, so this was the one. They invited top local guides from Hyderabad to come in. They were here for 2 weeks. Video team, they did a lot of shooting. Still a lot more videos to come in. So this was one of the best experience of my life. So for 2 weeks, we were shooting all over the city. We shot in, so on the top left, you see, we were in a fruit market. So I've got Arati over here, Naren, and a lot of friends, who were part of that memorable day. And on the top right, thank you, Arati. On the top right,
Hyderabadi biryani adventure trip.
Yeah,
I remember those days. And your video also featured in Meetup site.
Yeah, it is still, I think, featured now, and they did it everywhere. On the top right, we went into this Vivekananda Institute. We showed them how yoga is done in India. So we are supposed to wear white, and we did this awesome video. It is still not published, but it was the most memorable experience of my life, where I got to know behind the scenes, how videos are made, and was fortunate enough to be part of one of the group of people part of it. So afterwards, you got this in 17. This is the one point I want to highlight. I joined in November. In 2 months, I was level 5, right? So what were the requirements, and they still hold true now. So level 5, you have to be local guides level 5, and you have to be active contributor to the local guides community. So what does local guides community mean? Local guides community mean, actively contributing to maps, actively being active on Connect, hosting and attending meetups. And nowadays, things have added up that, you have to create lists of your favorite places in your wherever you have been, and then you've got to have a little bit of presence on social media. They wrote, being comfortable on English. So that time I was like, wow, this sounds fun. So I thousands of people applied, and to my surprise, I got this message. After a month, you are invited to Local Guide Summit 2017. I was like, I couldn't believe it. I thought it's some scam or something, or what is happening. But then, after you get a hang of it, oh, you are actually invited to attend Local Guide Summit. It was an awesome experience. I'll share it in the next photos as well. So incredible now, as Anil already pointed out, right? They are now, I think, more than 100 million local guides from around the world. This year, I think 12,000 people applied, right? In 17, it was not that many people, but it felt really incredible. We were, I think, 8 to 10 people from India. So this is the group photo, day 1 of the Local Guide Summit. So sitting on the top bottom left, we have got Steve from Malaysia. Now he's a Connect moderator. Beside him in the yellow t-shirt, you have got Daniel, and then beside him, Anuj. On the top right, we have got a Googler. She's from Bangalore, India. If you still recognize me, that's me. And beside me, I have my friend Rahul. He's from Delhi. And we've got Alam from Mumbai. And we've got Nareshji. What is the guy's name? I forgot. He's from Gujarat. So
I don't remember his name.
yes, few years gone now.
Surely.
Yeah, so this was kind of.
His name is Deep, I think, Assam bhai.
Yes, Deep Pancholi. Deep Pancholi from Gujarat.
Yep. Yeah, so this was we were like Indian local guides in 17. Day one, so they gave us a lot of swag. So I got this bag, this t-shirt, the t-shirt I'm wearing now. Bottle. That time they didn't used to give that Pixel phone. So if you are waiting to see that where's that Pixel phone, it was not given that time. So that is only for the people who came in later. So this was the swag given to us that time. It was like memorable time. So next day, even more interesting stuff. We were taken to this kind of outing kind of thing. There was this Presidio National Park. So they organized a awesome day for us, complete. They were not only 150 local guides from over 50 countries. They were Googlers from 50 plus countries. They have come in right from US to Japan and all the countries in between. So they shared with us what is happening, what are the new products coming up, what have they planned for Google Maps. And on the bottom left, you see all the people sitting in. So we've got around 200 people sitting in there. On the bottom right, they made us a few groups, and they gave us few topics. And they said, like, what is it you want to see new? Come up with ideas. So if you guys recognize Mehboob is there, Mehboob Hassan. That was the first time he and I were attending Local Guide Summit. So afterwards, he got opportunity to attend twice, 18 and 19 as well. So we came up with those ideas. So you see me on the top. We did group huddle, and I was given the opportunity to come up. What is it new thing we guys want to be implemented to improve Local Guides program. One of the things we came up is, right, you're calling few people from all over the world in San Francisco, but we have this issue of visas and whatnot all. So can you do, Connect Live, what we call now Connect Live, Local Guide Summit at regional level, so people can join in from different countries. So wonderful experience. You got to meet friends who have been there on Connect. Virtually, you got to meet them in person. You got to meet Googlers, whom you interact with, Tracy, and a lot of people. It was overall, awesome experience. They were so, what do I say, inclusive. Somebody from Indonesia said that, I would like to pray. Can you organize something for us? So they immediately, blocked the room. So they said, like, if you want anything you want, just let us know and we'll get it done. Then this is important. A lot of people keep asking, will I get my preference, vegetarian, non-veg, or a lot of people coming in, rice, will you get a lot of rices, or will you get halal meals or stuff? So over there, they took care of everyone. For people coming in from 50 countries, everybody's dietary, restrictions, choices were kind of taken care of. So there was food for vegans, there were food, South American food, European food, African food, you name it, they had it. This is, I show it as a fun to everyone. Can anybody read on the top left what it is? So they, in Googleplex, when we went in.
That is well known. That's an automated, yeah.
Washlet.
Automated washlet. The washlet on the top left was automated. I found it very intriguing, so I took a photo of it and I showed it to everyone. They asked me, what is it new you found interesting? So I show this photo to everyone.
Aslam bhai, this one also available in Hyderabad office too.
Yeah, now it is available. It is there in Hyderabad office too. It was there in 17 as well, but the first I saw in there, and then this one. Yeah. So Mehboob visited us in Google Hyderabad office as well, right? So thank you, Mehboob, for reminding. So afterwards, next day we had this huge party in a club where everybody, as a kind of farewell, there were a lot of awards given up. So 3 days in total was absolutely jam packed. There were so many kind of they showed us around. They gave us a lot of swag. They picked us up from, not only they arranged the airplane tickets, not only for they gave people visa reimbursement for the people who didn't have visas, but also they picked us up right at the airport, dropped us to the hotel, from hotel to all the venues, taken care of each and everything. So a lot of people keep asking, I'll ask questions later on, but everything was taken care of. It was overall awesome experience. And we were given the opportunity afterwards to, if we want, we after the summit, at our expense, we can stay somewhere, but the ticket they will take care of. So I chose to, stay afterwards in this hostel. It was called Hosteling International. It was beside our hotel, and then did a lot of sightseeing. So this is one of my favorite photos since like 3 years. It's still in my WhatsApp DP. San Francisco Bridge, right? A lot of people talk about it, and you have got the Golden Gate Bridge, Golden Gate National Park. I would highly recommend everyone to don't miss out these places when you get an opportunity to visit. Even though I have traveled, when you travel a bit, when I've traveled Middle East, Europe, and on the East Coast of US, but San Francisco by far, top 3 cities, my favorite cities in the world. Afterwards, again, those Google video shoot people knew me from Hyderabad. They said, like, we want you to be part of more videos. Do you want to be part of it? So they invited me to the San Francisco SPCA. People can go and check it out on their YouTube channel. So we did, SPCA is nothing but, animal shelter. So we got opportunity to be part of it. A very awesome video where they have shown, how animals are rescued, cats, dogs, and stuff, and then, how they are taken care of, and then they people come in and adopt them. It was a wonderful experience. I thought that I had the best time shooting in Hyderabad, but the shooting for Local Guides video in San Francisco was at a completely different level. Afterwards, obviously, when you're going home, you have to take all the more goodies because culturally, right, when we come back, people ask us, what is it you're bringing back? So I always present, stuffing my bag and my hand carries with a lot of chocolates. So afterwards, 2017, I also got the opportunity, remember I was telling that, we told them that you should have Connect Live in different cities. So in 2018, they went to Delhi. In 2019, they hosted one in Hyderabad. So this is one of the photos. You see on the top left, the frame photos of all the local guides who attended there. I think they invited around 100 people. So in there, they took the beautiful photos and framed it and gave it as a souvenir. So this was, in terms of presentation, the way the swags were given, the food, the overall ambience, I found it to be on par with the Local Guide Summit in 2017. The only disadvantage was you didn't have people from, all over the world. There were only, top local guides from Hyderabad, because Hyderabad happens to have a lot of active local guides. So they came in last year. And I, along with, from the right, you see in the pink t-shirt, Daniel. Daniel is my friend from 3 years, and he attended the Local Guides Summit with me in 2017. Also, he was invited in 2018, Connect Live. And in the center, in the check set, black and white, you see Fazil. Fazil is also level 9 local guide. He was invited in 2018 and 2019 Connect Live. Unfortunately, he couldn't attend because of visa issues. And there is me. So there was a panel discussion about local guides, our experiences, by a panel moderated by Juan. So he's a Googler. He is based in the London office. So we had Googlers coming in from Seattle, New York, London, and Singapore offices. Obviously, we had a huge Indian contingent as well. So it was an awesome experience again. Connect Live Hyderabad. It was like when I thought that I have had the best time in Local Guide Summit in 17. I think this last year this one topped even that aspect. And the even better, they had the best food you can imagine. They had cuisine from all over India and all over the world. So they was like, oh my god, just too much. So after this, I want to take this opportunity, because we have got a lot of people from who would want to know how local guides, what is it required for us to get stand a good chance to be considered in the Connect Live. Just to give you an firstly a what do I say, firstly get an understanding that last year we had 12,000 people. This year 12,000 people applied to be part of Connect Live, and only 200 people were supposed to be selected. That means that the percentage is around 1.5% people. So 99% people will not be getting an opportunity. But there are a few things for the people who want to be considered to be a successful local guide. You have to have, this is my take, you have to have a consistent contribution to maps, be it reviews, photos, videos, edits, and answers. Meetups, I cannot emphasize enough. I think in 17, one of the reasons I got selected, even after being a local guide for only 2-3 months, is because I hosted the first meetup in Hyderabad, and then made it a point to regularly attend and host meetups. So in your city, in your place, it doesn't matter more people are showing up or not. Make a habit to regularly bring in a community, start a WhatsApp group, be it whichever city you are in or town you're in. Make sure that you're hosting and attending your meetups regularly. We recently, thanks again to Naren, we have recently completed 50 meetups in Hyderabad. So hosting meetups is crucial. Being active on Connect. So for the people who are not active, I would highly recommend, what I used to do that time as well, right? The least you can do is like other people's post. So I think I have given likes to 10,000 posts. I got that badge 2 years back. So I think getting a badge is easy. Making friends is the best thing you can do. So hopefully, if you get an opportunity to attend the Connect Live, that time you will have people who are friends since long virtually, and you go and meet them in person. So if you want to consider a chance to get invited in Connect Live, be active on Connect. Nowadays, since past couple of years, they have added this list. So I'm sure everybody knows how to make a list. Make unique lists. What is it? Your favorite? It can be your favorite restaurants, your playgrounds, parks, monuments. What is it? Whatever favorite thing you have, make a list of it and start keeping it now. Don't wait for Connect Live application to come in and then you make list. They ask you to make a new list, but I think it's a very good activity to do, to be creating new lists. Again, they have added this new criteria that they're asking you to share your social media links. So if you are not very active on Instagram, Twitter, or FB, whatever, try posting a little bit of your stuff. Say, for example, your beautiful photos you're posting and stuff. It will give them an opportunity. It will present your personality to them. So one thing is very important. I'm sure a lot of people will agree when they saw Salman, Arjit, and Ria. I'm sure you guys recognize, it is not their accent of English or fluency of English, but their personality, which is like, outgoing and very humble, very friendly. And that is one of the qualities they look at whenever they apply. And do they see that, are you a people's person? Because you're going to meet people from around the world probably for the first time. So they look at it, how do you behave? How will you be, a good kind of attendee? And will you be able to make the most out of it? So these are my kind of, my ideas I would like to share with other people. So after this, does anybody has any questions or any visa related things? For the visa part, again, I usually say to a lot of people that to get a visa, you have to have, three things they always look at it. Your travel history. If you have traveled, for example, from India, if you're about to travel all the way to US, but you have not even traveled anywhere nearby, chances are less. Also, they look at it, do you have a stability, family stability at home? And also, do you have a, professional stability, be it either a student or a working professional? So, but, I'll give the example of Arjit, and Arjit was a student when he attended a couple of times. Ria was a student, and Salman just, I think, started working. He was, these things, you get a visa, it's all depends on the visa officer. So with this, I would like, to open this session for any questions anybody has.
Great. Simply great. Please proceed.
Okay, anybody has questions for Aslam?
Yeah, as Aslam said, the last line, you should have traveled before. Aslam, did you travel before anywhere, before going to this Connect Live? Because most of the people don't travel before any foreign country or somewhere. Very few people travel. So did you have any travel history before? Thank you.
So I had this travel bug ever since I was a child. So I was given this when I was very little. I was given this, watch as a gift by my uncle. It had, London Boy written on it. I was very little, so I had this travel bag. So as soon as I finished my 10th, and during that time, a passport used to cost 300 rupees. So I saved that money and, made a passport for myself. So it was like 300 rupees. Let me make a passport. So I have to travel around the world anyways. So then afterwards, I got the opportunity to travel to Europe. I have lived, worked, and traveled in a lot of European countries. I did my MBA from UK. My eldest one was born in London, UK, and I have been to US before as well, few times. So traveling to San Francisco was not my first time. So I got the opportunity, I think, to, I don't know, maybe 20 plus countries. So yeah, to answer your question, got the opportunity. I've been lucky to travel a lot. And it used to be a little bit difficult that days. Nowadays, we have got AirAsia, and you have got these wonderful friends from Indonesia as well. So you can take a flight and visa-free travel to Thailand, Indonesia, to a lot of countries easily. So I hope this answers your questions, Rosie.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you sharing your experience. It was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Rosie.
Okay, anyone ask question? If not, I want to ask question.
I actually, it's not a question, but I would like to summarize a bit and
ask also. It has been always my question that there are lot many level 9, level 10 local guides across India and across the world. So why Google is emphasizing on level 5 or level 6 if level 9 and level 10 are contributing more as far as the level is concerned? But today, after hearing and listening Aslam, it's not all about the level of a local guide. It's all about the activeness and alertness of a person. It has been a fantastic presentation of Aslam, and I got an answer by your presentation.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you, sir.
for your.
Thank you. And I
Aslam Bhai
would
is meant for that. Aslam Bhai was a role model, and that is why we call it as a inspirational. So if Aslam Bhai can go, why can't you can go? So that's what to making you believe it that you all can go. So bandwidth is very long, very long. Am I right, Aslam Bhai?
absolutely, Anil. And Kinjal, I would like to, stress this point. Level 5, not only, I have seen people who were level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, level 10. So Google believes in diversity in terms of your contribution. So they give opportunity to everyone. So you will not have people only level 9, level 10. Quantity is not the criteria. Quality is. And also I would like to emphasize, even in your age, so they make sure that there is incredible diversity. So you saw, Ria was there 21 years, Arjit 21 years, Salman 21 years, all of these youngsters. And then I met people who were 70, 80 years there in the summit as well. So they bring in people, so age is not a matter. Again, English is not a matter. So a lot of people over here, tend to think that my English has to be awesome to be get presented, invited. Maybe I should have an accent. So I apologize, I have a little bit of accent, but I don't think that was the criteria for me to get selected. But people coming from around the world, they only look at, your personality. Are you, outgoing? Are you friendly? Do you like meeting people? Even on your Connect, do you have, a lot of friends? Do you write posts? Do you like people's posts? Do you contribute actively? Be it, about your photography, your meetups. There are a lot of sections on Connect, right? So make it a habit that you're regular on Connect. Make it a habit that you're contributing regularly on Maps. So it shouldn't be like you're contributing one go in 1 month and then you again wake up at the time of application. That is what happens mostly. And also there's immense gender diversity as well. So initially in 17 there was very less, but now I see almost half enough people, they are men and women as well. So they share a lot of statistics. In India, a couple of years back, we used to have very less women local guides. But now, even from Hyderabad, we were introduced to Mrs. Gayatri Sharma. She's from Hyderabad. She's a very famous YouTuber from Hyderabad. I highly recommend if she can share her link of her YouTube channel. Very famous local guides. So, and Indonesia apparently has more ratio of women local guides than any other country. So, we have got this incredible diversity and Google recognizes it. So I would like, not only for Connect Live 2021 to San Francisco, if try and build local communities in your city. That is what we thought as well. That's the reason I shared my experience, right? How they came to do video shoot in Hyderabad. They said, Aslam, we have been looking to come to India for so long. Thank you for reaching out to us. You showed us that you have got so many active local guides, and we will definitely come and we'll do shooting over there. So if you want, Google team to come and do video shoot in your city, make that noise on Connect, that you have an active community. Or Connect Live, a lot of people keep asking, oh, Delhi, we understand, is capital of India and we have got more local guides from India than anywhere in the world, but why did they come to Hyderabad? So I have to tell people, team, we have got the most active local guides anywhere in Hyderabad than compared to anywhere in the world. So active, bring that community spirit. that spirit is important. Form that community, and that everybody is looking forward to. So hopefully next time it can be in your city as well. So Connect Live can be hosted in your cities. So I'm looking forward to that. So I hope this answers this question.
Correct. And one connecting part also, we have 1 minute video is to be uploaded for Connect Live also. So does it having a greater weightage also other than the activeness of the person?
Obviously, right. I would like, we have got a lot of summit attendees. There's Dr. Shaunak, he was invited 16, 17. There's Mehboob, he came in 3 times. A lot of people, they'll share, in 1 minute, they are looking at your personality. So does it come out, when they see that person, they try to, my thinking is they try to visualize, oh, can I see this person in front of, these hundreds of people from, 60 countries from around the world. So it is all about your personality, that 1 minute video. So over to you, Devi. I'm sorry, I give very long answers.
Aslam sir, I'd like to ask you a question. Is it necessary to have Instagram ID for getting selection in Connect Live? I think they ask only Twitter and Instagram profile link during Connect Live application.
No, see, nothing is kind of compulsory. But again, my thought process is that acts as a echo chamber. You have Instagram, you have Twitter, you're hosting a meetup, you post on it. You're taking photos and you're posting on Maps, Google Maps. Try and post on that as well, right? So that creates, and they are looking at personality. The idea of having that 1 minute video is that they want to understand what sort of a person you are. So having your social media presence, it gives them an opportunity to see what have been your contribution in terms of photography, in terms of meetups, and it generally gives your personality as well, right? So nothing is mandatory, but yeah, it's ideally now everybody has a phone, so you can just have it in there. I'm not a big social media user, but I do have that Instagram profile as well.
Good evening, Aslam bhai.
Yes, Gayatri madam, go ahead.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Hi, Aslam bhai. It was very good presentation, and I would like to ask you something. And I just want to make women as active. So in local guide community from Hyderabad. So how can you make that? I would like to suggest one thing also. And if you make some kind of 1 or 2 minutes video like that, how to start from level 1 and how to achieve up to 8 or 9, or how to be active in Google Local Guide. If it would be like a video, it would be very great to us to understand how to move forward in local guides and good recognition and all that.
I think, thank you, Gayatri. Thank you for the question. I think there was recently on Women's Day, there was this video posted on Local Guides by Priyanka. I think Priyanka will be sharing her experience next month in our IVM this thing. So it is same for everyone, right? So you have to contribute continuously to Maps. And try and attend meetups. Now everything is done virtually, so I would highly recommend everyone, especially women, to watch the video of Priyanka, and I would definitely have her answer that question next month when she is presenting, especially from the perspective of women, because I think she would be a better person to answer this question.
Thank you very much, Aslam bhai. Thank you very much and thank you, Gayatri madam, for asking such a wonderful question. Now, I would like to call upon Devi madam. We have got friends from India, Agon, Kalyan, Raja. So many people are there. I mean, they're from Indonesia also. They have not introduced. So quickly can have a round of introduction. Meanwhile, let me prepare for some another program. Jason sir, get ready with our puzzle and dance. We have got a lot of things, lot of surprises are today. So meanwhile, Devi madam, kindly introduce a couple of my friends from Indonesia. Over.
Okay. No. I want to ask one thing to Aslam because I have a question about the Connect Live in Hyderabad 2019. Is it for the attendee? Did Google choose the attendee, or the community choose the one that come to the Connect Live? Because the Connect Live in San Francisco, the Google choose the local guides, but I want to ask if whether in Hyderabad you choose or the Google choose. Okay.
I would have loved them to give me an opportunity to choose a few. I wouldn't share those details, but the Google chose Devi in Hyderabad as well. The only difference was they chose only people from Hyderabad, the active local guides from Hyderabad, in and around Hyderabad.
Oh, I think it's the same in Indonesia, because sometimes Google invite us to come to their office, but they not invited all of us. So we have to choose our Google choose. We provided names that active in Google. Okay, thank you, Aslam. Okay, please, everyone. I think we break a session for a while for introduction. Hello, Indonesia local guys that are coming. Please introduce yourself. I see that Agung or Neris 360 is already. Please, Neris 360. Hello, please unmute yourself. Introduce to us. Okay, next.
Radja.
Wait, that's before Radja. There's Arya. Arya, can you hear? Arya from Jakarta, please introduce yourself. Arya?
We have got Kauli Chandrakant.
Okay, next. We have Rahmat. Rahmat, please, Rahmat. Rahmat is one of our admins from Jakarta Local Guides. Please introduce yourself. Rahmat. It's off too. Raja, are you on? Raja is the king of meetup, king of quiz. Raja? Okay, next. Miss Ratri from Tangerang Local Guides, please introduce yourself.
Mbak Devi, thank you for having me. Hello.
Hello.
I'm Ratri from Tangerang Local Guide Indonesia. I'm local guide level 8. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Ratri. Hello, Mr. Sri Sedono. Hello, Mr. Dono from Bandung Local Guides. Please introduce yourself. Say something, not in the chat. Oh, he's shy. Okay. Teguh from Jakarta. This is your first time meetup and join us. Come on, introduce yourself and unmute yourself.
Fine. We have got some surprise element also, right?
Yeah, we have surprise element. Can I tell them about the quiz prize?
So, Devi, would you like to announce what is the surprise?
Yeah, after this we have a quiz. So from Indonesia Local Guides, if you are the winner, I will personally give you the T-shirt from Indonesia Local Guides. Wait. Can you see?
Oh wow, she will give you the real gift.
Wait, I have to put it. Okay, this is T-shirt from Indonesia Local Guides.
Devi, please steal some candy and then you send.
Sorry, India. I cannot send this. This is officially made by Brian from Batu Local Guide, but we have this Indonesia Local Guide. So this is the quiz prize. So if you are Indonesia local guide and we have this quiz after this.
So fantastic. We are having lot from Indonesia. So with gift with love from Indonesia. So let's start the quiz time now. We are having wonderful dance, music, so many things are waiting. So quickly we can start. As Devi Madam has already said, Devi will be giving real gift, not virtual gift. Along with that, you get the certificate from Team India logo. So over to Jason sir. So get ready with your pen paper fast. Whomsoever is giving the perfect answer rightly on the chat box will be the winner. So get ready with your answer. Watch carefully and who will give you the first answer.
Jason ji, can we just reduce a little time of that? The quiz. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Over.
No Team India member should answer this.
Yeah, so here, let me just give you a short introduction. So you will be seeing a few pictures there in the screen. So you need to guess the word. So probably most of them will be a 2-letter words. You can guess the word and type it in the chat window. Whoever is the first, we will read out the names, and then whoever gets the maximum right answers, they will be declared as the winners. So let us move on now to the first clue.
Ratri gave it.
Yeah, so this is the right answer.
Ratri.
Okay, the next one. Anybody got it?
Aarti Shinde.
Okay, so this is the Google Cloud. Moving on. Who has got it?
Dale's got it. Yay!
Yes.
Congratulations, Dales.
Mehboob Hassan.
Yeah, it's the Android Lollipop. We will move on.
Mehboob Hassan, yeah. Aarti Shinde.
Karan sir, you're not allowed.
Aarti Shinde.
Good.
No, drop a pin. Kaushal.
Yes.
Okay, the next one.
Timeline.
Yeah, it is timeline.
Ishant.
Yeah, we'll go on. Anybody got it?
भी हो.
Local stories.
Ramathan. Ramatharan.
No, local stories. Sorry.
Yeah, Ramatharan.
No, local stories. Aman Mishra.
Okay.
Aman Mishra.
This one, anybody got it?
Kaushal got it, sir. Kaushal.
Congrats, Kaushal. Congrats.
Yeah, this is the last one.
Yes, please.
Salman got it. Salman knows.
Yeah, thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed.
So, four team. Who was the winner?
maximum.
Who is the winner?
I think Aarti.
Or shall we check and tell that little later? By the time we can get into the next program and keep searching for the name.
Sure.
Over to Jason for the.
Salman bhai, congratulations. Salman bhai, Mubarak ho. Right, so we'll be having a prize. So there we have to give the prize. And for the winner, we are having celebration also, right? So winner is there is. So let's go for celebration time. So we can't have a clap for the winner, Salman bhai. We can all can clap for him. So whenever there is a winning, there is a gala night. So there will be cultural program, there will be dance, music, and so many things, right? So it is now for the honor of winner. Now request Jason sir, come back to the theater now. We'll be coming with the art, culture, lot of many things. All right. So here it is. We are going to present you the wonderful thing from across the world. Okay.
Guru Krishna Priya.
Enjoy the show.
Guru Priya, be ready. Guru Priya.
This dance is Kathakali, a traditional and ancient art form of India, recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy. In this dance, there are two characters, one male and the female, and both of them are male artists. Here, the male character is very angry, and the female is trying to pacify him. This globally famous art form, with its root in 17th century, was organized and originated in Kerala. It is a story play, and it's a great genre of art with a distinguished difference of the elaborately colorful makeup, costumes, and face masks, which you can notice in this short video. This dance form has music performed by vocalists accompanied by the rhythm instruments called chenda, maddalam, iladagalam, and chenikla. The actors perform emotions through their hands by symbols called mudras. Most of these stories are from Hindu mythologies. There are 5 different styles of dressings or costumes representing the different characters in play. The number 1 is Pacha, green, divine and noble. The second one is Katti or knife, arrogant. The third one is Tadi, bird or different characters. And the fourth one is Kari, black, evil. And the fifth, Mimik, radiant. That means divine like Brahmins or ladies. Hope you are enjoying the scene by seeing the video here. Thanks a lot.
Here comes the music from Indonesia.
Yay!
Baby, please explain us.
Okay, this is a welcoming dance from Jakarta. And Jakarta, we have this special Betawi tribe. So this is their dance. Betawi is located in Jakarta. So if we have some guests, we presented this dance and enjoy. This is originally recorded by me because I like to hunt some cultural videos, especially about Jakarta. Okay, thank you.
So hope you enjoyed the show.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Yeah,
Wonderful.
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
This was a cultural fusion
Great
of
experience.
Indonesia and India.
It was very
So,
wonderful.
Yes, yes.
So thank you very much for your wonderful participation. Now I would like to hand over to Devi. You can call upon TG sir and couple of our LG who has not been introduced. They can introduce now. I'll call upon our official introduction for Guru Krishna Priya Madam, Ajit sir, Sophie Madam, Bijon sir, and Ratna Maran, Sai Sedono, right? We have got Gundadi. So many people are left. So quickly now introduce yourself. Then we can run for vote of thanks. So wonderful participation. Over to you, Devi.
Okay. Before
Hello,
that,
Anil. Ma'am Devi.
yes, please introduce
Hello,
yourself.
greeting from Jakarta, Indonesia. I'm sorry I'm late for joining because I'm on my computer and it doesn't have mic. Subuk Ratri from Jakarta, Indonesia. I believe it means selamat malam from in Hindi. My name Rahmat from Jakarta, Indonesia. Glad to hear the inspiration story from you. They are our friend in Indonesia here in this room. They are Nyai from Sukabumi, Miss Dono from Bandung, Jawa Barat, and Dr. Del, Miss Ratri, Mas Agung, Raja, and Indah. That's all. Thank you, Anil.
Hi, Raja. Are you on? Raja, please introduce yourself. I think Guru Krishna Priya haven't introduced herself.
Hi, Devi.
Hello.
Congratulations on your successful meetup.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I am Guru Krishna Priya. I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I am local guide level 7 and I am happy to be the part of this wonderful team. Thanks a lot, Devi, and congratulations to Anil sir also for being the co-host.
Raja,
Thank you.
I see that you are already on. Can you introduce yourself, Raja? Raja.
Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, Raja.
Can you hear me?
Good evening.
Yes, yes.
Halo,
Yes.
Bang Raja.
Okay, thank you. First of all, thank you so much for invite us, especially in the virtual meetup. It was great collaboration between India local guide with Jakarta local guide. Nice. I'm Rajesh Tanggang from Jakarta, local guides level 10. So nice to see you all. Thank you.
Thank you. So anyone haven't introduced, even from India, if you haven't introduced, just come in. Please introduce yourself. Saidu from Malaysia. Are you there? Oh, Saidu already out. I see that. Wait, Nyai already introduced herself. Okay. No one left out, right? Okay. Once again, I would like to invite Aslam. Please come forward. You know. Aslam, please come
I'm
forward.
really afraid.
I'm sorry, I'm here.
Aslam, if you want to say something to your colleague, maybe reunion with say hi with your friends from Local Guide Summit or from Connect Life Hyderabad 2019. Hello, Aslam friends. You can come forward. Aslam.
I think Devi, the scheduled time was until 8, so let me check how many are left out or how many have left.
Mahbub,
Not only
Right.
that, yeah. Let's conclude, Devi, because there is another meetup. No, so just consider 8:30.
I think everybody left, Devi, whoever
Now I
joined in.
request Gigi to introduce your core team member and teammates and say vote of thanks.
Okay, please, Please, Referee, if you have something to say, and you can tell us about the CL21 grooming group and how this inspirational virtual meetups. Please, TG sir. If you
Yes. Good evening to all once again. I know it's too late, so quickly we will just take up one or two points. Most important, Devi, thanks a lot for hosting this meetup for us and co-host Anil. Thank you once again. And Nareshji, if he's there, yes, Nareshji, thanks a lot for joining us and being with us. Now, Aslamji, you did a wonderful job. I'm extremely happy to see that so enterprisingly you did it, that it was very well received by all of us, and a special thanks to you. This all is happening under our Team India, which is a part of our India Local Gates. For you all, we say global local gates. We are always for global local gates. And this mission, also we have a photography mission running parallelly. So nothing to go into detail, but I cannot forget certain of our important points. So I would like to thank our senior LGs who had been morally supporting us, like Amrish ji, Kashif ji, and many others in the list, including Arul Prakasham and all. Whereas there is a full dedicated team of people. Yes, I would really appreciate and thank my team members, that is Jason ji. Thank you a lot. Jason from Chennai, and he's basically from Coimbatore.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming. I hope this inspirational virtual meetup will give you something, value.
Anil Singh,
Yes.
Yes, and
Namaskaram,
Ajit
namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Ajit Titte, yes. Hello, Ajit Titte. Hope you are there. And Guru Krishna Priya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tushar Sarkar. And after this layer, we have another layer by our other LGs, youngsters.
I request whom my name.
I'm continuing with the words that Vijay Adams, then our team member
Thank you,
Sophie
sir. Thank
Menus,
you. Thank you, sir.
Sophie
Thank you,
Menus,
team.
and
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Pramod
Thank
NG.
you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
Thank you so
everyone for
much.
coming. Thank you.
Yeah, hi all.
See you in another meetup.
Karan
Yeah.
Chotlani, Shriya Barai,
Thank you.
Vikram Bishnoi. So there are many others who have been helping us. That is only my great word. The next, as Aslamji told exactly, we were focusing on our Priyanka. However, she is attending for some exam, so she may not be able to come in August. Maybe September or October she will be here. So for I'm very happy to announce that in August we will be addressed by Nyai Nurjahan from here.
Yeah. I'm looking forward
Wow.
for your session.
Yes. So Archit, Salman, Ria, she was there. Okay, all of them. Thanks a lot once again. Aslamji, once again, thanks a lot.
Thank you, Aslam Bhai, for the.
Yes, and Ishant and others,
Yes, sir.
welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
And let us group up again and make our mission more
I would like to special mention and thanks to Nimi for their welcome dance performance.
Yes, Nimi, I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so with your permission, I'm concluding this session, and let us all pray to God Almighty that let Him look after all of us safe as well as healthy. All the best. Good night.
Thank you,
to
sir,
all.
for the blessings. Good
you.
night,
Good
and
night, everyone.
see you soon.
Thank you.
with the-
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you all. Good night. Good night.
Yeah.
See you
Thank you,
again.
Aslam. Thank you, Naresh.